Wait, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Stop it! Hello and welcome, friends. On the episode of today, I'm gonna talk about pins and how to use it in art of the control panel making. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, friends, so I'm gonna talk today about pins. These are the pins. These are double ones, as you can see here, simple ones, different sizes, and so on. So basically, one, you're gonna wire some wires, especially if it's a multi-filler one like this one, multiple cables in one like this one. It's a must to use pins. Pins are a plastic thingy with a metal head that's gonna allow you to make a perfect connection. There are different sizes, 1, 2 times 1, 1.5, 2.1.5, 2.5. The most common ones are the ones, 1.5 and 2.5. 2.5 for plugs, 1.5 for light bulb fixture, and 1 for commands, controllers and so on. Moving along, we have 4, 6, as well, 2 times 4, 2 times 6, 10s, 16s, and the maximum pin is 2 times 16. From there on, you're gonna have just like 25s, 35s, and so on, just simple ones because they are very big as well. Alright, so let's gonna proceed on how we're gonna put a pin. Alright, so I was saying about these pins and stuff. For attaching the pins, you're gonna need a wire stripper like this one, the cable itself. This is a 2.5 mil, square mil. You're gonna strip it the wire like so, and then you're gonna measure the pin. Here you go, put it inside the bester thing. There you go, this one is a little bit bigger, so we're gonna manage to cut the thingy till it's gonna be flush with the face. This one is alright. Here you go. And then you're gonna need the special plier like this one to trim the pin. Ah, fuck. God damn it. Goddamn hands. Bastard thing. Here you go. This one. Focus, man. Come on. And then here you go. This is a very tight connection. Perfect connection as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you something else. This is a terminal connection. This one clips as so, and we do have the pin. We're going to insert the bastard thing here and then tighten the thing. Here you go. That's why you're going to need pins, for the terminal connection, for the electrical plugs, and for all the electrical equipment that you're gonna need. Alright, friends, so thanks for watching. In the meanwhile, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Ciao.